about 3.5 years ago, and Carrie and I were working in jobs we didn't really care for. I was in human resources. Carrie was selling software. There was no fish market in the North End at the time, so I said, you know, somebody was smart, they'd open up a fish market. And she said, well, why don't you open up a fish market? I asked Carrie if she wanted to do it with me. She said, sure, why not? And that was that.
Hi, my name is Carrie Cassidy, co-owner of Mercato Del Mare in the North End, and I'm from Fremont, California.
Hi, I'm Liz Ventura, co-owner of Mercato Del Mare in the North End, and I'm from New Bedford, Mass.
You know, I love, obviously being my own boss makes a big difference, and it's more satisfying because, you know, I get out of it what I put into it.
Alright, I'll just cut 3 nice pieces for you. My favorite thing is probably the interaction with the customers. It's a small neighborhood, you really get to know people, you know, it's just a lovely, it really is just a lovely work atmosphere. Were you going to go sailing? We were selling oysters and not really selling a lot of them. Turns out that people weren't buying them because they didn't know how to shuck them. So we started doing a lot of impromptu lessons on the fly, and then we thought, oh, we should just give lessons, and then we'd sell oysters and we'd get more people in the store. Are you in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in too. And then it just got, somehow it just got picked up on Boston.com and on different news feeds, and it got really busy, so we just kept doing it.
So thank you.
Oh, thank you.